You will find how you can create beautiful, mobile responsive, professional looking websites step by step without writing a single line of code. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create, set up and publish a complete website using Wix drag and drop website builder. Even if you are a complete beginner, you will be able to make your online portfolio or a website for your business by following the steps which I'm going to show you throughout this video. I'm going to cover the full process from purchasing a domain name from Namecheap and how to choose a paid plan on Wix, how we can connect the domain name with the website to give it a standard value, and then we are going to customize our website a little bit to show you the process how you can create beautiful full functional websites for yourself, and finally we are going to publish the website online. So without further ado, let's start purchasing the domain name. You can support this channel by using the links attached into the video description to visit Namecheap or Wix website builder platform. So after visiting Namecheap, let's search the domain name right here. So I'm going to type out codefreewebsite.com and let's click on this search button to see if the domain name is available for us to register. So here we go. The domain name is available on Namecheap with the price tag of $8.88 per year. But luckily, I'm seeing I'm going to get some discount by using this code. So I'm going to copy the code. And if you're curious, you'll be able to get this exact domain with different extension. So here I'm getting .com extension, but if you're looking for .net extension, here it is with a different price range. And if you want more options, here we go, we have got more options. Just take a look, and the cheapest one, as you can see, you can register this domain with only $1 for codefreewebsite.xyz extension. So as I'm interested to go with .com, so I'm going to click on this add to cart button as of now. Now I'm going to see that 9.06 is my total, and it's time to click on checkout button right here. Here is the subtotal. It's time to place our promo code which we have copied, and now let's click on apply. Just take a look, we have got some discount and the total price is now $7.16. So here in this section, you will be able to change the time frame of your domain registration. It is currently selected to 1 year, but if you are interested, you can select up to 10 years. And always keep auto renew if you are serious about your business and website, so that you don't have to come again and again to renew your domain registration. And here the WizGuard, the great thing is you will be able to get the WizGuard protection free forever. So I always keep it enabled and I always keep it auto renew, as I don't have to pay a single cent for this service. So my privacy is always safe with Namecheap. So let's go for the next step. I'm going to click on confirm order. And after that, we have to add our payment method. So here I'm going to add a card and I'm going to blur the information for my privacy reason. But before that, let me show you some of the details that you are going to see. You can pay with your PayPal account as well. And here are some other details. So let me enter the information here in blur mode. After putting your payment and address information here on this page, let's click on continue. You can verify your order details again here on this page. So as I have entered everything correctly, so let me click on pay now button. Alright, so here, thank you for your purchase. So we have got a custom professional domain name registered, and it's time to visit Wix website builder platform to start creating our website. So please click on the link attached into the video description to visit Wix website builder platform. After that, click on get started button. It is going to land you to this login page. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on the sign up button to set up an account, and after that, provide your login details and then click on login now. So now I'm signed in with my Wix account, and it's time to click on create new site to start creating our new professional looking website. So here in this page, you are going to see this question, what kind of website do you want to create? And you'll be able to select any of these categories available here. So let's say you want to create a website for restaurant business. If you select this restaurants and food option from here, you are going to have access to all of their beautiful professional looking customizable themes where you can put your contents to make these themes working for you. So let's say I want to create a website for business. I'm going to select this one, and then you are going to see two options. We can select any one of these options. For the first one, you have to answer a few of the questions, and based on the answers, the Wix artificial intelligence is going to optimize your answers and they are going to create a website automatically for you. But it will have some lackings and you will not have full control over the website customization. In this case, we are going to go with choose a template, so that you will have the option to select any template which you want, and you'll be able to customize the template as we want. We'll have the full control. So let's click on this choose a template button from here. After that, we are going to see all of their beautiful business related templates appearing here. So let's say I want to go with this template. You'll be able to preview the template by clicking on this view button. and then just take a look how this website is going to be looking like. Or let's say if we just go with this template, which I'm seeing actually a portfolio website, but I'm going to go with this one to demonstrate the process how you can customize. So let's click on edit button from here, so that the Wix website editor is going to be loaded up and we'll be able to customize the website as we want. So here the Wix website editor has been opened up with all of its content, and currently the home page is selected so that we'll be able to replace and we'll be able to customize each of these elements available on this page. I'm going to show you by working on few of these things so that you will have the idea how you can customize your website to make it fully functional for your business. But before that, let me talk about something else here. For example, here the home page is selected. Now I'll be able to make changes each of these elements of this home page if I want. And now let's say you want to make some changes on this about page, but if you click here, it is not going to take you to about page. To go to about page and to start customize about page content, then you have to select it from here, then click on about. It is going to load the page here. Now you'll be able to select each of the element from this page and you'll be able to change however you want. And then the other option here, currently we are working on the desktop mode, so whatever change we are going to make here on this website are going to be changed and going to make effect on desktop viewers. But if you want to make your website mobile responsive, then simply click here on switch to mobile device, and then you will be able to see how your website is looking like as of now on mobile devices, and you will be able to customize the website as you need. For example, if I drag this image a little bit up, or let's say here, if I keep it here, just take a look how it is going to look like. All right, so this is the way how we can customize every element of this website for a mobile device as well from this option. And in the next option, we have got site, from where we'll be able to save our work, we'll be able to preview our work, we'll be able to get some feedback, we'll be able to publish our website to get our website available online for our viewers. And then we have got settings option, from where we'll be able to connect a domain name to our website, get a mailbox, upgrade our plan, and then we have got few more options which we are going to talk in a future video. And then we are going to have this tools option, from where we'll be able to select the layers, rulers, etc., so that these things are going to be available. So I'm actually going to take you to desktop mode so that you will have full understanding here. All right, so from tool we'll be able to select the layers which are just appearing here. On each of these sections, what are the layers available, we'll be able to see by clicking here. All right, so let's cross it out. I don't need this layer, and then I don't want these rulers as well, so it just disappeared. And then we have got grid lines and snap of objects, so I want to keep them. All right, then we have got depth mode. If you know how to write codes, then this function is for you, otherwise it's all fine to keep it as it is. Then we have got this help section. If you don't understand anything and if you need more help, simply visit this help section and visit their pages, then you'll find more helpful resources to go with. Now we have got this upgrade section, from where you'll be able to upgrade your plan, and these are the basic things you know, to undo any change, to redo any changes, then save and preview and publish buttons here. And here are the most important things. As you can see here, if you want to add a menu to your website, simply click here, and then you will be able to update your menu sections. You'll be able to see how things are working, what are the style of this menu you want, okay, etc. So I'm actually going to click on none as there. All right, and then I'm going to the background. All right, so you'll be able to change the background of this entire web page. And then you have got this plus icon, where you'll be, this is the most important part, where you'll be able to add text to your website. For example, let's say I want something to be added here, so let's click on add, and then we have got image. If you want, you can add an image here. If you want a button to be added, you can select any of these buttons to be added. So let's say I want this button to be added here, okay, just as an example purpose. Now I'll have the full accessibility to customize this button. Let's say I want to change the background color of the button. I can simply click here on this design, and then I'll be able to, let's make it a little bit up, and then I'll be able to click on this customize design. And then let's change the background. Just click here, from black I want this color, or let's say I want this color as an example. Just take a look, it has been changed in the background. All right, so now let's say you want to change the text color of the text. Let's say I want to change the text to black. So here is text color, so just click here, and then let's say I want the text color to be black. Just take a look, it has been changed to black. I'll be able to change the font size to 20 pixel or whatever size you want. I'll be able to change the font family as well based on my need. So let's say I want Lulu Clean, and just take a look how it is going to look like. So the font size is too big for the Lulu Clean, so I'm going to click, let's say 8 pixel, and just take a look how it is going to look like. All right, so this is how you'll be able to customize every element of this website. So I'm going to delete this one from here, and let me show you how some more things that you can do. You can actually upload image galleries to your website. Just take a look, pro galleries, and then we have got slideshows if you want. All right, and then we have got accordation, then we have got slide deck, etc, etc. So just roam around these options and you'll find beautiful functionalities which you are going to love for sure. Just take a look how, if we just add this 3D slideshow into our website, it is going to be a beautiful look. And just take a look this 3D carousel as well. So you have to roam around and just simply add, drag and drop. Simply drag here and it is going to be added here. Just take a look, it has been added. Now if you want to change these things, change this image, simply click here and click on change image, and you'll have the option to upload. If you want, you can simply click on add image. It is going to take you to this page where you'll be able to upload image from your computer. You'll be upload image from Wix database. You can upload image from Shutterstock, Unsplash, whatever you want. So let's say I want to upload this image as an example. I'm going to click on add to gallery and just take a look. It is going to be added. Now click on done and you are going to see that this image has been added. Okay, so let's say you want to add a few more options from here. Let's say I want to go with this one, strip. So I want to add something right after this this section. So let's say I want to add another section where I'm going to showcase these services things. So I have to click here on this add icon and then strip, and then if I just go here services, just take a look, we are going to see a few templates which you can use and you'll be able to customize each of these things for sure. So let's say I want to add this template and it is going to be added here. Just take a look, it is going to be added here. Now we'll be able to change the image. Just click here, change column background, and you'll be able to change the image as we want. So let's say I want to add this image, just take a look, it's been added. And then if we want to change the text of these things, the example, okay, the example, okay. So this is how you have to add different types of text. So let's say I'm not seeing anything here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the color of this text. So let's say edit text, and then you're going to see this option, change the color to black, and you're going to see the text as well. So this is how you'll be able to add columns, you will be able to add contents, you will be able to remove contents. If you want, you can simply remove this full content from the website. Okay, so let me first of all click on save this work, and then we have to give the name of this website. So I'm actually going to give the name, save and continue. And now if we, okay, don't show this again, and done. Okay, so just take a look how it is looking like. If we just click on preview, we are going to see the change which we have made. Just take a look how it is going to look like. And this is the way you have to add, you have to customize each of the element of this page. So let's click on back to editor. We are going to make some changes on the home page, and after that we are going to connect the domain soon. So let's go back to home page. I'm going to change this to my name, Ajharul Rafi, as an example, Ajharul Rafi, and then I want to keep it as it is. We can actually change every element of this page, as you can see here. So I'm not going to play around with this. So let's say I want a background instead of this image, background image, I want to place a background video. So let's click here and select this strip background, then change strip background button. After that, let's click on video. Actually, the other one also a video, but we are going to upload another video here. So let's say I want a video of mountain as an example, mountain. Let's hit enter. And let's see if we can find beautiful mountains available or appearing here. Okay, so this is a mountain, or we can actually select any one of these things. So let's say I want this one, and let's click on change background. It is going to be replaced, and just take a look how it is going to look like in our website. So now let's say I want to change these social bar icons. I want to delete, let's say, YouTube from here. So I'm going to click here, or let's say I want to delete Twitter from here. So I want to delete, so let's click on remove image. It is going to be deleted. So let's say I want to add Pinterest here. So I'm going to click on add icons, and then if I click Pinterest here, Pinterest, and hit enter, we are going to see all the options available here, actually all the styles available. So let's say this style, I'm going to click on add to gallery. It is going to be available here. So now if I want this to be appeared right after Instagram, I can simply drag and drop here. So now let's say I want to link the Facebook with my Facebook profile. So let's say here it is already been selected to Facebook, but I want this to be changed to my URL. So let's say facebook.com/Ajharul Rafi. Now let's say click on done, and if I click on done again, now if someone clicks on preview, or actually after publishing, if someone is going to click, I'm going to show you, if someone is going to click on Facebook, it is going to land this person to my Facebook page here. All right, so just take a look. We are seeing that a video is playing in the background. It is looking really beautiful, everything perfectly working here. So you will be able to change, customize the full of these buttons. You'll be able to customize this image, you'll be able to customize this too. So let's change this image and let's change this name. So to do this, we have to go click here on this back to editor button here. And after that, let's select this part. And after that, let's click on change image. And let's say I want to upload an image from my computer, then click on upload from computer. Let's select the image which you want to upload. So I want to upload this image for this purpose, or let's say I want to upload this one. So let's see how it is going to look like. All right, it's being uploaded. Now select the image and click on choose image. And just take a look how it is going to look like. If you want to work on this image, you want to edit some parts or actually crop this image, you'll be able to do this as well. So let's click here, and I'm going to click on let's say change image, or okay, select here and then click on crop and edit if you want to make some adjustment. Now simply I want to crop a part from the bottom so that it will look much better here, I believe. Save. And here we go. Let's click on choose image. It is going to look much better. All right, so now I'm going to change my name to Acharul, and you'll be able to change this text as well if you want, whatever you want. Okay, this is addition. I am just going to show you, and if you want, you can simply increase and decrease the size of these fonts by dragging and dropping. So let's keep it as it is, and it is looking much better. And you'll be able to change the font style as well, actually font family as well, by selecting whole contents from here. I want to change it to, let's say, this text. Just take a look, it has been changed, but the previous one looks good, so I'm going to click on undo to get my previous change. All right, so it's looking great now. So let's say you want to work on this footer section. All right, so I'm going directly to footer because you'll be, I believe you have got the idea how you can customize each of these sections. You'll be able to click here, add to boxes, add to stripes. As you can see, you just have to roam around on these things. You can upload lists and grids, you can upload videos and music on your website, contact forms, etc, etc. So I'm not going to show you each of these elements because I have got already a video on this. So I'm going to attach the video link into the video description. And now let's say you want to make the change on the bottom of this part. So let's say you want to change it to, let's say, 2021 by Acharul Rafi, and we are going to remove this part from here. That's totally fine. All right, so here we go. We are going to get this customized website. So let's say I have completed customizing the website from the scratch, and this is how my website is currently looking like as I wanted. Now it's time to connect my domain name, and after that I'm going to publish the website. So let me show you how to connect your domain name which you have purchased in the starting of the video. So let's go here. We are going to click here on the settings, or actually hover over. After that, let's click on connect domain. And here on this page, you are going to see two options to connect a domain name to your website. The first one, to purchase a domain name on the go from Wix itself, and the other one, to connect a domain name which you already own. So I always keep this feature because it costs a little more than the price which I get a domain from Namecheap. All right, so we are going to click on connect a domain you already own, as you have purchased a domain name in the beginning of the video. And after that, we have to click on this select a plan option. So click on select a plan so that you'll be able to connect our domain name. And from these features, I'd love to recommend you using this feature, which is unlimited. As you can see, if you pay annually, you are going to get, which is more savings option, and you're going to have unlimited when do it. So if you have thousands of and let's say millions of viewers, still Wix is going to handle these loads for you for sure, and you are going to get 10 GB of storage on your backend. And then we are going to be able to connect our domain name. You will be able to get rid of the Wix ads, and if you want, you can have 1 year of domain. So I don't want this option because I'm actually going to purchase this plan for only 1 month, as I'm making this video for demonstration purpose only. So let's click on select, and then I'm going to click on monthly, which is going to cost around $16 per month. So that's fine, no problem. So now I'm going to click on select, and then I have to enter the payment information. So let me fill up this form real quick in blur mode. So let's click on submit and purchase button right now. And here again, they're going to market their product. As you can see, if you want, you can purchase a domain name from their website, but we already have a domain name. So here I'm going to put already have a domain, connect it button. Now we have to provide the information of our domain. So let's go back to Namecheap, and then we are going to visit our dashboard of the Namecheap account, then the domain list to find out the domain name, which we have just registered at the starting of the video. So this one, codefreewebsite.com. So here we have to enter it here, codefreewebsite.com, and then click on next. and I'm actually going to make it bigger. And here we go, we found your domain at Namecheap. Yes, it's from Namecheap. Just select here. So here in this page, you are going to see some instructions on how to set up name servers from your previous one to the current one. Here we have to change them to these name servers in your Namecheap account. So let's go back to Namecheap, and then we have to select the domain name, and then we have to click on manage button from here. And after that, go a little bit down. From this name server section, just click here and then click on custom DNS. Now we have to change this name server 1 and name server 2 with these name servers. So let's copy them. I'm going to go back here, paste it on the first name server 1, and after that go back to the site here again, copy, and then go back here and paste the name server 2 here, paste it, then click on this right check. And here we go, DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect. So we are done with the settings. Now let's go back here, and then we have to click on verify connection. So here we go, great. Now publish your site. Your domain is connected, so head to the editor and publish your site to see it live. So we have verified our domain name. We have connected our custom domain name with our Wix website, which is going to look really professional. And it might going to take around 48 hours to get our domain name fully activated. So please don't worry if you are seeing any error right after publishing your website right now. And Wix is going to send us an email when the website is fully live. So let's go to editor, and then we are going to publish the site as of now. Let's just wait while it's being loaded. And here we go, the website editor has been loaded up, and it's time to click on this publish button to publish our website online. So just take a look. Congratulations, your site is published and is live online. So just take a look. We have got our domain name right here. So now if we click on visit site or view site, we'll be able to access the domain name, but it might not going to work as it already been mentioned. Just take a look, it's not working because it is going to take around up to 48 hours to get our website fully activated and fully visible to our visitors. So that was it, guys. I believe you have found this video helpful, you have found this video fully informative, and I believe I was able to walk you through step by step on creating and setting up and customizing your beautiful website with Wix without knowing a single line of code. So I believe you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, share this video to help your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. And again, as a reminder, if you would love to support me, please use the links attached into the video description to purchase your domain name, to purchase your Wix membership plan. It will help me a lot to continue uploading more helpful videos in near future for all of you guys. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Alright guys, so here I have waited around 20 minutes, and now if I just type out here codefreewebsite.com and hit enter, just take a look. We have got the website live now and everything working perfectly. Just take a look, whatever the changes we have made, these are working perfectly on our website. Alright, so we have made very minor changes in the website just for the demonstration purpose, and I believe I was able to help you understand how things work inside the Wix website editor and how you can customize a website and how you can create a beautiful website for you.